Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at app analytics and how you can access some reports and analytics on the mobile apps. So in your reseller backend, you'll see your managed apps and resellers. You'll find all of your apps listed here. I'm going to search for a live app here and I'm going to log in. You need to log into the app dashboard. This is the outlet dashboard. This is the same dashboard that your customers have access to. So they have access to everything from the dashboard all the way down here. And depending on how many features you put into this app, it'll just obviously the more you have, the more features and things like that you'll see on the left-hand side. Okay, so this is your app dashboard. You've got a snapshot, and some of you will see different things based on the amount of features and reward systems you've got activated. So let me just quickly go over everything. At the top here, it's a little snapshot of how many customers, how many downloads you've got, how many users you've got, and then you can also see the users when you go to customers and manage users here. You'll see all of your customers and you'll be able to access them and click on them and actually see a full CRM on each customer. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard. Okay, so again, the customers, the total number of downloads you got. This is the total number of dollars spent via the rewards system, one of the reward systems, which is the transaction-based rewards. This is how much has been spent through the app platform. Right here is the total amount of rewards you've issued out. Again, the same reward system. It's the transaction-based reward system, and this is what's been redeemed. Good overview of what's going on statistically within the app. Down here, we've got now on a month-to-month basis, so we're into 2022. We've only got the 2 months of history. I'll change this to 2021. You can see, obviously, all of the history that since the app's been live. You'll see that. And then you can see a history of, in this one, the spend amounts over the course of month to month. So I know we had a COVID the last couple of months, so these people were closed, but you can see when they reopened. And then the same deal over here, you'll see all these rewards issued on these specific days. And if you've got multiple locations, you can see individual locations. These reports are dynamic. Okay. This one down here is rewarded and redeemed on a daily basis. So you can see in the month of February for 2021, these are the individual days of that month and when people were, what you've rewarded and what's been redeemed. So you can see the redeems and you can see the rewards. Okay, you can see your top purchasers. These are the top 10 people that have spent money with this specific business, this app. Again, all based on the transaction-based reward system. This shows you new versus old customers. You can see all your old customers that have come in and all your new customers that have come in. Okay, you've also got a graph here for your gender demographics. And if you're asking for information from your clients when they're signing up, you can include gender, and you can get the good information on what type of customers you've got, male or female. When you click, again, these are dynamic, so you can click and see how many female you've got, how many undeclared you've got, and everything. So again, just mousing over this stuff will show you how many you've got. If you've got multiple locations, again, same deal, dynamic, and you can mouse over these things and see what location is how many people. Okay, these reports here are for scratch cards. So if you're using a scratch card within your platform, you can have this type of a report on the dashboard, and you can see the amount of prizes that have been won and redeemed for each card. So this is different cards that we had used in this app. Down here, if you've got a food ordering system, if you're using one of our native food ordering systems, this will show on the dashboard total orders. Again, this is not, I just turned everything on for this specific demo, but in this specific business, it's not a food business, so it's not showing very much details at all because they don't sell food. But you have a snapshot here of how much you've sold as far as currency goes and how many orders you've got. Again, type, and it'll also give you your top items. And down here, this is a tracker of all of the the links on your home screen, all the things that are being clicked. Okay, so you can see right now I've got the employee schedule turned on. I can turn that off and see nothing, so I can see how many people are clicking, how many times a day people are clicking the employee schedule. If I click the rewards button here, you can see, again, each one of these things on a daily basis. Again, this is shown for the month of February 2021. Again, dynamic, and you can click, uncheck, all these different things, and you can see what action your app is where where the hotspots for the app are and what features are being used most. Okay, so that's a quick overview of the analytics in the platform. You've got this little wand over here, and you can turn things on or off, and just hit the update button, and away you go. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks.